What's cracking, YouTube? This Enzo Rides coming at you with another video. Today we're going to be working on this new Surron Ultra Bee that I picked up. Hell yeah. I'm going to throw some supermoto wheels on this bitch. Probably swap out the handlebars for some rental fat bars that I got. I'll show you guys what it's looking like. This is it right here. This is it. A little clapped out, you know what I'm saying? 400 miles. Owned by a kid though. We're gonna get some new plastics. We're gonna throw on some new pegs. I think these are the stock ones, yeah. We'll throw on some new pegs. Gonna get some little suspension mods right there going on. Throw the new handlebars on and throw these supermoto wheels on and see what it's all about, dog. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and take off this rear wheel. Just gonna get I think it's a 27 milli. Take that off. Let's check it out real quick. So yeah, just throw it on. Crack it. It's a little harder, but need two hands. Bam. And just like that, it's out. This was a what is this? 1 1/16. So I don't know what that is in millimeters. Took the nut off. Banged out the axle. Bam. Once the axle came out, tire came off. Still brand new, baby. Boom. These are the supermotos that we got. Let's check them out. Move this tire he gave me. I think it's a brand new tire. I'm not too sure. Take this off. Oh shit. Here's the charger. Put that right there. And here we go, buddy. Peep game. Let me take these out real quick. There's a sumo setup. About to be crispy. And that one's on, yo. So, if any Surron people are watching my video, Surron pros, maybe you guys could comment. I don't know why, but I haven't messed with the settings yet neither, so maybe my regen braking's on, but I put on this tire and it seemed like the rotor was rubbing on the caliper, which is kind of weird. So then I swapped back to the old one just to double check, and it was still doing the same thing. So I put this on and then it was still doing it. I tried to adjust the brake caliper. Didn't really have much luck with it. So I just tightened everything down as it should be, put it down. But actually this has been doing it since I bought it. Watch, check it out. When you push forward, hear it? Sounds like it's rubbing horribly. I don't know if your guys do that or what. Maybe the guy gave me a junk bike, who knows? Maybe I'll have to fix it. We'll see. But yeah, if you guys know what the problem is, comment. Let me know how I could fix it. And there it is, y'all. Front tire was easy. I just used the motorcycle stand. I had to put the extension on one of it. On the motorcycle stand, it comes with just the flat box. Then it comes with extension bars. I put the extension bar in the front, jacked it up. That way the extension hit this part, the lower box hit that part, lifted it up off the ground. Real easy. Just get an Allen key, loosen those. Take off that cap right there, and then bang your axle out that way. Once it comes out, tire drops, put the new one on, reverse order, that's it. I did put a little bit of Loctite on this cap because you don't want too much torque on it because it starts to bring the forks together. So I just did it just enough with the little Loctite so it locks down, and then I torqued those Allen keys down. Thing rips. Took it out for a little ride right now. It's the first time I really like rode it. Because when I test drove it, I rode it in the eco mode. And, you know, it was cool, but it was a little underwhelming. This, I put it on the sport mode. Hit me with the turbo. That shit was gone. That thing was good. So, yeah, it's a lot of power, dude. A lot of power, actually, in a little bike. Pretty nice. So, we got a couple more mods. Got some purple renthal fat bars I'm going to do. I'll record that probably tomorrow. We got brake levers on the way, new plastics, some foot pegs coming up. I got the little triangle in the back for the suspension. Got a new seat coming, and we got some grips and a new light already. So I pretty much pulled the trigger on everything, so it's gonna be a clean little fucking build. And then we'll just ride it and see how we like it on the daily. And then, you know, once I've had it for a while, bigger battery maybe, bigger controller, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. The stock Surron Supermoto wheels, got them. Picked them up, threw them on. CST tires, some Chinese stuff. Probably get some, either some Michelins, some Shinkos in the future. We'll see how it goes, what sizes they offer. But what do you guys think? Looks clean. But yeah, stay tuned for the build. Thanks for watching.